track. Flying out of bracket, 29 mile an hour. Here this evening. Do all the fans get loud and get proud, because I believe this is your only chance to do it tonight. Green flag, the beautiful blue tractor out of Shelbyville, Illinois, the Rhapsody T8, Mr. Jason Barker. Monster passes so far. Let's see what the first string tractor in the class can do. Dave Guthrop on the Guthrop farm, 39.60. Let's see what the international score here. The Brevard International, 12.56. Had a nice pass, but they seem to be missing their weight here, right? They go to the track all the way around the city. That's when they start to haul, and every time that haul, that really hurts on their 12-hour heat, that really hurts on their horseshoes and hand grenades coming to us from Wilmington, Illinois. Or Highland, Illinois, sorry. Illinois, on the 32 jacket. Durant Scott.